Does summer camp contribute to your lead generation process? And the answer is, summer camp is a great opportunity for your school to connect with new families, create a strong sense of community, and provide a positive first impression to your prospective student. It is an effective way to not only market the value of your school, but also bring in additional revenue. Therefore, it is important to drive more traffic to your summer camp and increase registrations for the same. Here are 6 tips on how you can fill your summer camp registrations quickly. Create a custom website for your summer camp registration. Your website should be easy to navigate and include all the essential information about your summer camp program, such as its activities, registration requirements, safety protocol, information about the trainer, or any additional information that might be helpful for campers. Make sure your website is visually appealing with high quality images and videos that showcase the camp and its activities. Ensure that the registration process is secure and straightforward so that campers can easily complete the registration process with minimal hassle. Offer multiple options to parents to register for your summer camp program. You can offer them 3 options to register. Online registration will allow parents to sign up quickly and easily from their computer or mobile device. In-person registration will provide parents the opportunity to speak to a representative in person and ask questions if required. Lastly, email registration will allow parents to fill out the necessary documents and mail them to your school. Telling your story with video is yet another powerful tool. When creating the video, it is important to capture the fun, excitement, and energy of your camp. Showcase the activities that are available at your school and highlight some of the more unique aspects of your summer camp program. You can include interviews with campers and staff to get even their perspective. Use captivating music and graphics to create video that will make a lasting impression and effectively promote your summer camp this summer. Emphasize that your camp has a strict safety and health protocols in place. This information will be very critical for families who are not familiar with your school. Include talking about how the staff is trained in safety and health procedures, the types of medical supplies that are available on site, and what measures are taken to ensure the camp is clean and has a safe environment. Highlight that the camp has experienced medical staff who are available to help campers with any medical needs as and when required. Parents will definitely feel confident that their children are in a safe and healthy environment at your school. To maximize the effectiveness of your email, you should segment the email list into different target groups. For instance, email for current families will be different than email for prospective families. Emails for parents will be different than email directed at high school students. Include a call to action, that is, what action you want your prospective campus to take after reading your email. Offer discounts and incentives to encourage families to register early for your summer camp program. Run promotional campaigns such as early bird discounts or additional camp activities that are only available to those who register early for your school summer camp program. Introducing new families to your summer camp and welcoming returning campers will be critical this summer.